Posible pa rin ang pangamba na umabot po sa 200 piso kada litro ang presyo ho ng mga produktong petrolyo sa bansa. Ayon kay Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, hindi pa kasi masasabi na balik normal na ang sitwasyon sa gitnang silangan sa gitna ho ng 2 linggong tigil putukan na napagkasunduan ng Amerika at Iran. Marami rin anyang oil production facilities ang nasira sa rehiyon na posibleng abutin ng ilang buwan o taon bago maayos.
If the war stops today, will the 20% be able to deliver? I think it will take some months because most of the infrastructure, especially LNG, has been destroyed. And I think LNG in Qatar will take 5 years to fix.
Nilinaw naman ni Garin na hanggang 6 na pong araw lang ang supply na langis na kayang iimbak ng Pilipinas, kaya hindi maaaring basta-basta na lamang bumili ang bansa ng maraming produktong petrolyo para samantalahin ang tigil putukan sa gitnang silangan.
The government decided to purchase a lot for 2 million barrels. 2 million would be 10 days. So far, we have procured 1 million. We are slowly building that up because we don't have enough storage, Mr. Chair. We're only good for 60 days. On gasoline, we have 57.8 to 58 days. Diesel, 47.26.
Samantala, naniniwala naman ang kalihim na napapanahon na para amyendahan ang Oil Deregulation Law para mabilis na makatugon ang gobyerno tuwing makararanas naman ang krisis sa langis.
When there's a war and the spike is so high, it's unpredictable. This is not that the price is determined by supply. The natural and artificial causes here na tumataas lang talaga siya. And when this happens, as pointed out by Congressman Tino, we're so vulnerable because it gets reflected right away, ano? And then, on the other hand, DOE cannot stop this. We can monitor, we can watch it, we can reprimand, but we don't have the powers to control it before it happens.
Tinig po ni Energy Secretary Sharon Garin.